it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. On my tongue, never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Hi guys, welcome back to my another new vlog. I hope you all are doing all good. So yeah, my boards are also done and I'm really bored staying home, and I really don't have any plans to go out, or maybe a sudden plans might come till night, so I don't know. And yeah, now I'm just sitting and editing my videos. That's it. Shiny करने का, and now I am very bored. I don't know what to do, but I'm really frustrated now. I want to go out, but I don't want to go out because of the weather. You can see. Let me show you. It's very gloomy, very cloudy. Might rain. You can see.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so I'm done with my lunch and I'm thinking to make that viral grapes ka candy wala, which is going very viral in Insta reels. So I'm thinking to make that. So yeah, let's make it. So guys, let's try these sour candy frozen grapes which are going viral all over the internet. So first I'm taking all the grapes, the amount of grapes I need. After that I'm washing them very nicely because it's very important to wash. After that I will add some salt because this is the main ingredient, and then I will add some salt. You can also add some lemon. I didn't have, that's why I didn't use. Then mix them well, let the salt absorb and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours and it's ready to eat.
A few inches later.
So guys, now let's taste.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, I'm back again. I slept, that's why.
Fire.
So guys, I'm out in my cousin's home, so I'm getting ready. Let's show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this trouser with this white tank top and pairing up with that blue shirt. Guys, this is my outfit. I will wear a white sneakers, white sports shoe, not a sneakers. So yeah, very simple, very basic, very comfortable. That's it. So yeah, bye. This is the shoes I'm wearing. Let's go.
All the time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and us more, but still my pillow's on the floor. Anyone could say that we are never assured, for things we're dreaming of are always out of the store. Pages, a lot of pages to forget. I'm so bored to say. Call me if you need a hand. Did you ever think I'm a friend? Everything will come to an end.
So guys, I'm going back home. It was an evening walk, and actually my home and cousin's home are not too far, so it's in walking distance, so I can say walk and come. That's it, and I'm going home now. I'm back. So
Just come. I felt so